Walker, a good solid rebounder for a wing player. Lynn puts it up, puts it in. Jeremy Lin off to a terrific start.
The legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself up on the list. She said, where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some very fabulous, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss.
From the field, but finally
like this. Oh, oh, I want something just like this. Oh, oh, I want something just like this.
Looking to penetrate, pull-up jump shot. It's gone. Jeremy Lin continues. Lin around the screen by Jeffries. Now pulls up for the jump shot. Got it off the glass.
The moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls the suit before it. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gift, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. Oh,
Gotta get some easy baskets on the break.
I want something just like this.
Fisher went under the screen, Mike. But him, you don't know what he's going to do. So Fisher's trying to feel him out here.
Bad pass from Gasol.